Hello guys, welcome to a cook with me video. This is a new series wherein I will be sharing some of my favorite recipes with you all. Cooking and food are two of my favorite things, so I really wanted to start this new series. So for today's menu we have all of this. So let's get started with today's video. This dosa paste was prepared by my mom and I just had to make dosa out of it. After sprinkling some water on the tawa, I wipe it off and then I spread the batter.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of?
I evenly spread it so that it is thin from all sides, and after that I let it sit and dry, and then I will add some oil or butter.
I wonder.
And I keep checking from all the sides to see if the dosa is ready. After that I roll the dosa and I take it out on my plate, and I prefer eating dosa with sambar, but some of people like it with chutney, so it's all your choice.
I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me.
So the next thing we have is Veg Crispy. This is one of my signature dishes. For that I will be cutting some vegetables. You can use any vegetable that is available in your kitchen. In my kitchen I had onion, capsicum, cauliflower and carrot. So I cut them into square like pieces so that it is easy to eat for people.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights.
After that I thoroughly washed my vegetables because cauliflower tends to be very dirty and you need to wash it thoroughly.
Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder.
After that I prepared a marination for the Veg Crispy, wherein I added some maida, corn flour, black pepper, salt and water, and I prepared a medium to thin paste so that it coats my vegetable well. After coating the vegetables I heated up some oil for deep frying.
It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
So once the oil got heated up, I added the vegetables and I cooked them till it turned out to be golden brown. Then I took it out in a plate. After this we will be making the sauce of the Veg Crispy. For that you need to heat up 2 tablespoon oil and then add some garlic and ginger. Once the garlic and ginger gets cooked well, add the sauces. For sauces I first added some soya sauce, then red chili sauce, then Schezwan sauce and some ketchup. I also added a small teaspoon of sugar to balance the spiciness of the sauce, and then I stirred the sauce well, and once it starts getting boiled you need to add the corn flour slurry so that the consistency gets better. So once I have a good consistency I add the vegetables and stir it well with the sauce. After this we have some cheese loaded nachos on our menu. So for this I will be again chopping some vegetables which are available in my kitchen. For nachos you need to chop vegetables very finely into very small pieces actually, so that they are easily chewable. So after chopping, I will be heating some butter, and then I will add the vegetables to the butter. Once the vegetables start releasing water, I will be adding salt, pepper, oregano and chili flakes to the mixture, and I will stir it well again. This will take hardly 5 minutes because capsicum cooks very fast. Then let's move on to the sauce or the cheese sauce. For that, I started by adding some butter to the pan, and then I will be adding some maida, so that the butter and maida cooks really well. You need to remove the raw flavor and smell of the maida, and after that is done, you need to add a glass of milk, and after that you need to add 2 slices of cheese. I like 2 slices because I love my nachos to be really cheesy. And once that is done, I add salt, pepper, oregano and chili flakes, and I take it out in a bowl. And now let's get to the dressing part. Over here you need to like spread the nachos first, then load it with a lot of vegetables and cover the vegetables well. Then you need to top it up with some cheese sauce, and you can be as generous as you want. I like it to be cheesy, so I have put a lot of cheese sauce over my nachos.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Now let's move on to the next dish, which is Hakka Noodles. Hakka Noodles is very simple, and I feel that anyone can make it. For this, again, I'm chopping some vegetables. I cut them into slits so that they are easily blendable with the noodles that I'll be eating. After cutting the vegetables, my mom had already drained some noodles, so I started to heat some oil and I added the vegetables into it. After adding the vegetables, I waited for 5 minutes and added the sauce. And after the sauce gets heated up and the vegetables are coated well with the sauce, I will add the noodles. And now you just need to stir the noodles and the vegetables well. Don't forget to add some salt, and that is it. Noodles is done. It is that simple. After this, we will be making some paneer Schezwan sticks, and this is a new dish because I had never tried this one before. For this, I had prepared a marination out of a maida, corn flour, red chili powder, salt, pepper, and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. In this, I added some cubes of paneer. After coating the paneer well, we need to deep fry it in a hot oil, and once it turns brown, you need to like stir the paneer and take it out in a plate. After this, let's make the sauce. For sauce, you need to follow the same procedure. Add some garlic to 1 tablespoon oil, and then you need to add some sauces and vegetables of your choice. After adding the sauces, you need to add the corn flour slurry for the consistency adjustment, and then after the consistency is done, you need to add the paneer. That is it. This is how I made this dish, and it turned out to be the best one amongst everything that I have made in this video. So now let's take it out on a plate and enjoy it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are?